Somewhere in our universe, there is something so massive that it shouldn't exist. It contains more galaxies than there are seconds in 500 years. It stretches across 10% of the entire observable universe. And according to physics, it should not be possible. But there it is, waiting, watching. Today we're going to scale up. From the planet you're standing on to the largest known thing in existence, we will multiply your perspective by 1 billion, then by 1 trillion, then by something your brain cannot comprehend. These are the 10 largest structures in our universe, and by the end, you will realize how small you really are. Number 1 will leave you speechless, and number 3 shouldn't exist according to physics. But before we get to them, we need to start small, smaller than you think. Let's begin at home. Number 10, our Sun. Our Sun is enormous. It's so massive that 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. It accounts for 99.86% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Every second, it converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. It has been doing this for 4.6 billion years, and it will continue for another 5 billion years. Then it will die. But by the standards of the universe, the Sun is small, tiny even. Compared to what comes next, our Sun is a grain of sand. Number 9, our solar system. 8 planets, hundreds of moons, millions of asteroids and comets. In 1977, we launched a spacecraft called Voyager 1. It traveled at 17 kilometers per second. 47 years later, it is finally just barely leaving our solar system. And here's the strange part. The edge of our solar system extends a full light year away. To put that in perspective, that's the distance light travels in an entire year. At Voyager's speed, it would take 30,000 more years just to reach the next star. But across the universe, our solar system is invisible, just a single dot among trillions. Number 8, Stephenson 2-18, the largest known star in the universe. It is 2,150 times wider than our Sun. If you traveled at the speed of light, it would take 7 hours to circle around it once. Compare that to our Sun. Light circles it in just 14 seconds. If you placed Stephenson 2-18 where our Sun is, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. You wouldn't have time to see it coming. You'd be inside it. But even this monster is microscopic compared to what comes next. Number 7, TON 618. A supermassive black hole at the center of a distant galaxy, 10 billion light-years away. It has the mass of 66 billion suns. Its event horizon is so large that our entire solar system could fit inside it 11 times. If you fell into it, you would not feel pain. You would simply stretch into a single line of atoms. We discovered it by accident in 1957. We didn't realize what it was for decades. And TON 618 is just one black hole. There are billions like it, each one at the heart of a galaxy, feeding silently. Number 6, IC 1101. The largest known galaxy in the universe. Our Milky Way galaxy is 100,000 light-years across. IC 1101 is 6 million light-years across. It contains 100 trillion stars. That is 500 times more stars than our Milky Way. If you traveled at the speed of light from one edge to the other, your journey would take 6 million years. That's longer than humans have existed as a species. And this is just one galaxy. There are 2 trillion more. Number 5. The Laniakea Supercluster. This is where we live. Our Milky Way is just one of 100,000 galaxies, all bound together by gravity. It spans 520 million light-years. All of these galaxies, including ours, are flowing toward the same point. The name Laniakea means immeasurable heaven in Hawaiian. Until 2014, we didn't even know we were inside it. We thought we lived in a smaller cluster. We were wrong. And yet, our home, your home, is just a single tiny speck inside it. Number 4. The Sloan Great Wall. A massive wall of galaxies discovered in 2003. It stretches 1.4 billion light-years across. That makes it 3 times larger than the Laniakea supercluster. To put this in perspective, if you traveled at the speed of light, it would take you 1.4 billion years to cross it. That is nearly a third of the age of our planet. When astronomers first found it, many thought there was an error in the data. No structure should be this big. And we are about to find something that makes the Sloan Great Wall look small. Number 3. The Boötes Void. Not all giant cosmic structures are made of something. This is a region of space 330 million light-years across, where almost nothing exists. In a region that should contain 10,000 galaxies, we have found only 60. If our planet were inside the Boötes Void, we wouldn't have known there were other galaxies until the 1960s. We discovered it in 1981, and it terrified astronomers. Scientists don't know how it formed. They don't know what's keeping galaxies out. Some believe it was created by a force we don't yet understand. And they don't know if there are more that we haven't found yet. Number 2. The Huge Large Quasar Group. A massive cluster of 73 quasars connected by gravity. Each quasar is a supermassive black hole feeding on a galaxy. The Huge Large Quasar Group is 4 billion light-years across. That's bigger than anything physics says should exist. According to Einstein and our models of the universe, structures this large shouldn't be possible. When astronomer Roger Close discovered it in 2013, he broke cosmology. No one has been able to explain it since. We still don't know why it exists, or how, or what it means. And number 1. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, the largest known structure in the entire observable universe. It is 10 billion light-years across. That means it covers 10% of the observable universe. If you started traveling at the speed of light when the universe began, you still wouldn't have crossed it. It is larger than our current understanding of physics allows. According to the standard model of cosmology, it shouldn't exist. The universe is not supposed to allow structures this big. And yet, there it is. We see it. We just don't know how it got there. It is the most impossible thing in everything we can observe. We started this journey with you, standing on a planet. We ended with a structure so vast it covers 1/10 of everything we can see. And remember, the observable universe is just what we can see. The actual universe may be infinitely larger. There may be structures out there that make the Hercules wall look like a grain of sand, and we will never see them. Light from those places will never reach us. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more. Next time, we explore the things in our universe that travel faster than light should allow. See you there.